What consciousness do humans have? Consciousness is one of the most profound and enigmatic aspects of human existence. For centuries, philosophers, scientists, and theologians have grappled with the question of what consciousness is, how it arises, and what it means to possess it. Consciousness refers to the subjective experience of being aware, the capacity to perceive the world, think, feel emotions, and have a sense of self. This complex phenomenon has captivated human thought because it lies at the intersection of biology, psychology, and metaphysics. Understanding the nature of human consciousness requires exploring its various dimensions, origins, and implications. At its core, human consciousness is the state of being aware of oneself and the environment. This awareness can be broken down into different levels and categories. One of the most basic aspects is sensory consciousness, which involves the ability to process and respond to stimuli from the external world. When you touch a hot surface, hear a melody, or see the colors of a sunset, your sensory consciousness is at work. It provides a constant stream of information about the surrounding environment, enabling humans to navigate the physical world effectively. Beyond sensory awareness lies a deeper layer of human consciousness, self-awareness. This refers to the ability to recognize oneself as an individual distinct from others and the environment. Self-awareness allows humans to reflect on their thoughts, actions, and emotions, giving rise to a sense of identity. For example, when you look in a mirror and understand that the reflection is you, you are experiencing self-awareness. This ability to reflect on oneself is not universal in the animal kingdom and is considered one of the defining characteristics of human consciousness. Another essential aspect of human consciousness is its capacity for abstract thought and imagination. Humans have the remarkable ability to think about things that are not immediately present in the environment. This includes planning for the future, reminiscing about the past, and contemplating hypothetical scenarios. These cognitive abilities are closely linked to the human brain's neocortex, which is responsible for higher-order functions such as reasoning, problem-solving, and language. Abstract thought enables humans to create art, develop complex technologies, and construct elaborate social systems. Emotion also plays a significant role in human consciousness. Emotions are deeply intertwined with subjective experiences and influence how individuals perceive and interact with the world. Joy, sadness, anger, and love are not just reactions to external events, they shape a person's internal reality. Emotional consciousness allows humans to connect with others on a profound level, fostering empathy and social bonds. It also helps individuals navigate challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. One of the most mysterious aspects of human consciousness is its subjective nature, often referred to as qualia. Qualia are the individual, personal experiences of sensations and feelings. For instance, the way you perceive the color red or the taste of chocolate may differ from how someone else experiences these phenomena. This subjectivity raises intriguing questions about the relationship between the physical brain and the mind. While scientists can study neural activity and map brain functions, the qualitative aspect of consciousness remains elusive. The origins of human consciousness are a topic of ongoing debate among researchers. Many scientists believe that consciousness arises from the complex interactions of neurons in the brain. The human brain, with its approximately 86 billion neurons, is the most intricate organ known to science. Neural networks communicate through electrical and chemical signals, giving rise to thoughts, emotions, and awareness. However, the precise mechanisms that produce consciousness are not yet fully understood. Some theories suggest that consciousness emerges from specific patterns of brain activity, while others propose that it is a fundamental property of the universe, akin to space and time. Philosophers have long pondered the nature of consciousness, often framing it within dualistic or materialistic perspectives. Dualism, as famously articulated by René Descartes, posits that the mind and body are separate entities. According to this view, consciousness exists independently of the physical brain. In contrast, materialism asserts that consciousness is a product of physical processes within the brain and cannot exist without it. Both perspectives have their strengths and limitations, and the true nature of consciousness may lie somewhere in between or beyond these paradigms. Human consciousness also raises ethical and existential questions. For instance, what does it mean to be conscious, and how does consciousness define our humanity? Consciousness allows individuals to grapple with questions of morality, purpose, and the nature of existence. It enables humans to ponder their place in the universe, seek meaning in life, and aspire to higher ideals. This reflective capacity is a double-edged sword. It brings the joy of discovery and connection, but also the burden of existential uncertainty and the awareness of mortality. In recent years, advances in neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and philosophy have deepened our understanding of consciousness while also challenging traditional assumptions. For example, scientists can now observe brain activity in unprecedented detail, shedding light on how different regions of the brain contribute to various aspects of consciousness. Meanwhile, the development of artificial intelligence has sparked debates about whether machines could ever achieve a form of consciousness. These developments force us to reconsider what it means to be conscious and whether it is unique to biological organisms. In conclusion, human consciousness is a multifaceted phenomenon that encompasses awareness, self-reflection, abstract thought, emotions, and subjective experiences. It is a defining feature of humanity, setting us apart from other species and enabling us to engage with the world in profound and meaningful ways. Despite significant advances in science and philosophy, consciousness remains one of the greatest mysteries of existence. Its study not only deepens our understanding of the human mind, but also invites us to explore the fundamental nature of reality and our place within it, whether viewed through the lens of biology, philosophy, or spirituality. Consciousness continues to inspire awe and curiosity, reminding us of the boundless potential of the human mind.